All right, we're going to focus on the median nerve, really good nerve to work on grip. If you're struggling with grip, maybe you have some numbness in these three fingers, you might be noticing some of that happening there, or maybe you're not as strong with your grip. You're trying to work on strengthening it. Median nerve would be awesome to focus on. And to get this working, so when we do some tensioning, it really helps with kind of creating awareness around the nerves, and it helps to kind of get those nerves sending a little bit better signals towards the spinal cord. Sometimes the nerves can be a little bit kind of tight, and it would be helpful to get them moving. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When we're doing this, keep the tension really low and focus on the stretch in the areas. And when we're doing the median nerve, we want to think about the thumb, index finger, and the middle finger. That's the area where we're going to feel like a little light kind of stretch. It's going to be similar to kind of like a muscle stretch, but slightly a little different. The intensity of it, keep it light, 3 out of 10 at most. You want to be able to feel the sensation. And then what we're trying to do is tension the nerve and then take some tension off. And we're going to go back and forth, kind of oscillate between it so we can send those signals to the brain to recognize where those areas are and just to get that nerve moving smoothly. So here's how to set up for this. So with the arm, we're going to focus on the left side and you can follow along. We're going to make sure the elbow is locked out. And we're doing a tensioning sequence here, so we're going to get a stretch in that area. Elbows locked out, wrist is going to be bent. We're going to spread the fingers apart. After we do that, maintaining all of this, we're going to rotate our shoulder back so that our fingers face back behind us. We're going to bring our arm a little bit out to the side, and then from there, long spine, head tilted away. With the shoulder blade, we're going to drive it with this motion. We're going to bring the shoulder blade down. You should feel a little stretch around the fingers there. And then when you bring your shoulder blade up, that tension should quiet down. So the idea is we're going to go down and up, and you want to feel the tension when you're at the longest point or the most tension point. And then when you bring the shoulder blade up, you should feel less tension. Now, with this motion, I like using the shoulder blade as a driver. Some people like using the head as a driver. And if you find like you're a little bit tighter in the neck, or that might be an area where nerve is entrapped a little bit more, maybe you want to go into this position. So shoulder blade is down already, and we're going to use the head to drive the motion. So if I tilt away this way, I should feel more. When I come back in, I shouldn't feel as much. So that's another way to tension it alongside any of these joints that we are using in this motion. So as I'm here, I can also get into that stretch and unlock the elbow and then lock the elbow, and I should feel the stretch go away when I bend the elbow. When I lock the elbow, the stretch should come back. And so you can be very creative with how you do this. You can use the fingers, you can use the wrists, you can use the elbow, shoulder, head, neck. All those positions can help drive the tension and also take the tension off of it. So practice it, get aware of where that is, and then play around with the joints, which way you want to do it. At first, start with 3 to 5 reps, kind of get used to it, and then start applying it to what you're trying to build. Maybe it's better grip strength, maybe you want to get a lot more reps done. Maybe you're trying to work on just solving some pain problems. So keep it light, focus on the tension, like getting the actual awareness around that area so that your brain can get better feedback. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys to get a better understanding of how to tension the median nerve and just feel that area.